Hi, I'm David from the Gabriella Miller Kids First Data Resource Center. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate through the Kids First Data Resource Portal, create a query, and identify genomic files for analysis to push to the cloud analysis platform, CAVATICA. Accessing registered genomic files through Kids First requires dbGaP access. If you'd like more information about how to log in and authenticate your dbGaP access, check out the second video in our user support video series by clicking the link in the video description. To create a query, we'll begin by navigating to the Data Exploration page. Here, you can apply filters to narrow down the number of participants by clinical, demographic, or other filter categories. For instance, if you're interested in studying the heart defect tetralogy of Fallot, you can identify participants with this phenotype by applying a filter to your query. You can apply multiple filters to the same query, such as participants diagnosed with tetralogy of Fallot and abnormalities of the digestive system. You'll see the data visualizations and total counts update as you apply additional filters. You can also click directly on the data visualizations themselves to apply that filter to the selected data. You can select each participant by selecting the participant ID to view additional clinical and metadata about that participant. You can scroll down to observe phenotype, available data files, and even biospecimen availability for certain studies. Now let's return to the Data Explorer and select the Data Files tab. You can continue to sort your query by applying additional data filters, allowing you to sort by data type, such as variant call format or VCFs. After selecting the files you'd like to analyze further, you can save your query or file set for reference at a later time, or download a file manifest. Now we'll select the files we want to analyze further and choose the Analyze in CAVATICA button at the top of the table. If you're not sure how to connect your CAVATICA account, head over to video 4 in our user support video series to learn how to set up your account and create projects within the CAVATICA platform. Once you've connected your CAVATICA account and linked your project, you can configure the access, description, and other information specific to your project requirements or preferences. After you've copied the files from the Kids First portal into CAVATICA, you can also choose to upload additional data for comparison by selecting the Add Files button and choosing from the file directory. CAVATICA provides a number of workflows and public apps which you can select to perform analysis on your data projects. You can run tasks within CAVATICA which are an execution of an application. Each task is associated with a series of input files and parameter settings. Tasks can either be run a single time or in batches, executing the same workflow on multiple sets of files. Bioinformatics analyses are rarely complete with the execution of a workflow, and results often need to be further analyzed. The Data Studio is an interactive analysis tool on CAVATICA for data exploration and visualization using familiar environments like JupyterLab and RStudio. When you need to run a few simple shell commands to explore data or perform a more complex analysis using Python or R, Data Cruncher will enable you to do it directly on CAVATICA, avoiding the time and resource-consuming process of downloading data to your local machine. You can watch additional videos and access resources by exploring the CAVATICA Knowledge Center. Don't forget to watch the other videos in the support video series in the video description. Thanks for watching.